everyone. Today we will do digestive system of 7th class. Now these are the steps involved in the process. Number 1 is ingestion. What is ingestion? Taking of nutrients inside the mouth. That is known as ingestion. And in the mouth, which is also known as buccal cavity, teeth are present, tongue is present and salivary gland is present. Now what happens? The food is chewed or crushed with the help of teeth. And the saliva is mixed with the food which comes from salivary gland. This saliva contains salivary amylase which convert the complex carbohydrate into maltose. What is maltose? It is the simpler form of carbohydrate. Now from this area the food enters into the esophagus, which is also known as food pipe. Now in the food pipe, by the rhythmic contractions of smooth muscles, peristaltic movements push the food forward in forward direction, and with the help of these movements the food is further broken down into smaller pieces. Now from the food pipe or esophagus, food enters into the stomach part. Now here gastric gland is present in the lining of the walls of stomach. That gastric gland releases 3 secretions. Number 1 is HCl, number 2 mucus, and number 3 is pepsinogen. Now what is HCl? As you know, hydrochloric acid. The function of HCl is to kill the germs present in the food and make the medium of stomach acidic for the functioning of pepsinogen. What is pepsinogen? It is an inactive form of enzyme which digests the proteins. In the presence of HCl, it becomes active, that is pepsin, and mucus is here to prevent the lining of the stomach. Okay, now name the nutrient which is digested in the stomach, that is only protein. Now protein is a complex molecule having triple bond, having nitrogen, having amino acids. Now protein is digested by the pepsin partially digestion. Partially digestion of proteins takes place. It is converted into peptones or peptides. Now students, listen here carefully. The medium of the food is acidic in stomach. Now this food after stomach enters into the small intestine, which is the largest part of alimentary canal. Its length is about 7.5 meter, and in the small intestine the food is here. Now the medium we want in the small intestine is basic or alkaline. Why? For the functioning of pancreatic juices we need basic medium. So small intestine receives secretions from where? From 2 parts, liver and pancreas. Now liver secretes bile juice which is temporarily stored in gallbladder, and with the help of bile juice the large fat molecules, globules, they break down into smaller ones, and bile juice also makes the medium basic. Okay. Now in this basic medium the trypsin enzyme secreted by pancreas further do the complete digestion of protein. Okay. Now protein is converted into amino acids. Amino acids. Now other secretions of pancreas are pancreatic amylase. It digests the maltose into simple glucose, and lipase digest the fats. Okay. Now lipase convert these fats into fatty acids and ketones. In this way the complete digestion of fats, carbohydrates and proteins takes place in the small intestine. After complete digestion of food, now food is absorbed by the finger-like projections villi which are present in the inner lining of the small intestine. Now here after absorption the unused food, the undigested food enters into the large intestine. It is smaller than the small intestine but wider than the small intestine. Now in the large intestine what happens? The extra water is absorbed by the large intestine and the unused food is further stored in the rectum. the rectum part of your alimentary canal, and through the rectum, one by one or for many times or sometimes it is secreted from the anus through anal sphincter. And the unused food, in this way the undigested food which is not needed by the body is expelled out or exit through this anus part. In this way we do this complete process of digestive system. Now Ayush, come here. Now look here students, this is a beautiful awesome model made by, working model made by Ayush, the student of class 7th. Now, Ayush, you have prepared this model. Now show me. Come here, come this side. Press this. This is the first step of ingestion. The food enters into the mouth, then goes to esophagus. Through esophagus, it enters into the stomach. Then the food enters into the small intestine. Look here, beautiful functioning of this digestive system. Now food is completely digested in the small intestine, then enters into the large intestine, and here absorption of water takes place. Unused, undigested food get rid of body through this part which is known as anus. Okay, thank you Ayush, you can go now. Okay, you can go now. Take this. So my dear students, you can also make models, working models like this, and in this way I hope that you learn a lot by making working model of digestive system. Thank you. Have a nice day.